Hi children, welcome back. Now we are starting with the chapter coordinate geometry for standard 10. So this I will be explaining to you the important formulas that we are going to use in this chapter, and then we will start with the questions. The first thing that I am going to discuss is about the coordinates. So a coordinate is expressed generally as xy. This you have already learned in standard 8 and 9. So generally a coordinate is expressed as x and y. X is the distance of the coordinate of the point from the y axis, and y will be the distance of the point from the x axis. For example, if the point is 2, 4, it will be 2 units from y axis and 4 units. So this is, suppose this is 4 units from, so this will be 2 and this will be 4, and this point is 2, 4. That is 2 units from y axis and 4 units from x axis. And in the first quadrant all the points are positive. In the second quadrant it is negative, positive. Third, negative, negative, and fourth is positive, negative. Hope you all know about this. And this also you have learned in your 8th standard and 9th standard. On x axis all the y coordinates are 0. So if you see here, this point is 1, 0 and this point is 2, 0 and this point is minus 1, 0, minus 2, 0. And similarly on y axis if you see, it is 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 and all this. So if you see, all the x coordinates on the y axis are 0, and on the x axis all the x coordinates are 0. So this also you will be using in many of the questions. So remember, on x coordinate on x axis y coordinate is 0, on y axis x coordinate is 0. This is also you have learned in 9th standard. Equation of x axis is y equal to 0, and any line parallel to x axis will be y equal to 1, y equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, etc. So y equal to a is the general equation of a line parallel to x axis. Similarly, equation of y axis as x is equal to 0, that is, this y axis will be x is equal to 0, and any line parallel to y axis will be x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, etc. So x is equal to b will be the equation of the line parallel to y axis. Now this distance formula is what you are going to learn this year. So let the coordinates of the 2 points be a and b be x1, y1 and x2, y2, and so we are going to find the distance between a, b. The proof is beyond the scope of your syllabus, so you just learn the formula only. So distance AB will be root of x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Here x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, either way you can take, because you are going to square it. So even you interchange and do it. If you get a negative value, you are going to square it, so you will automatically get a positive value. So it is only the difference of the x coordinates and difference of the y coordinates. So x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. That will be the distance between the 2 points. So if the coordinates are given, you can find the distance of a and b, distance AB. Now the section formula, that is, if a and b 2 points are given and you have to find a point P on the line AB, and the ratio is given, how that P is dividing AB, that is AP by PM, AP by PM, PB, sorry. AP by PB equal to M/N. That the ratio is given, the two coordinates are given, then you can find the coordinate of the point P which is dividing AB. That will be, again the proof is beyond the scope of your syllabus. So, you can learn this formula mx2. So, this is m x2 plus n x1. So, when you are the x coordinate of P, when you are finding, it is m and cross multiply with the x coordinate of the opposite, that is the B coordinate, and then n into x1. So, here you are taking only the x coordinate for the x coordinate of P, and similarly for the y coordinate it is my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Suppose P is the midpoint, that means m/n is 1. Substitute in the formula, you will get m and n becomes 1 1. So, you will get x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, that will be the coordinate of the midpoint. Now, the next formula that you will be learning will be centroid of a triangle. So, G is the centroid of the triangle. Centroid is the intersecting point of the medians. So, you know median is a line which is bisecting the base, bisecting the side. Suppose this is median. AP, AQ and AR are the medians. That means P is the midpoint of BC. AP will divide the side, opposite side equally. It will bisect the side. Similarly, BQ is a median and CR is a median. So, that means these two will be equal. Similarly, these two will be equal, and AR is equal to RB. So, intersecting point of the medians is called a centroid, and the centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So, AG by GP, it is AG divided by GP equal to 2:1. So, the coordinate of the centroid will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y2 plus y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. You get this value using the section formula. So, we will do this later when we do the section formula problems. That time I will teach you how to get this formula. For the time being, you learn the formulas x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now, area of a triangle, this is also not included in your syllabus, but still I will teach you. Let the three coordinates are given, then the area of the triangle will be half into sigma. Because it is area, the area cannot be negative. So, you have to take the absolute value of the value you are getting. So, sigma x1 into y2 minus y3, that means it is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus, put it in order. In the place of x1 you put x2, in the place of y2 you will put y3, and in the place of y3 you will put y1 plus again the next one. In the place of x2 you will put x3, in the place of y3 it will be y1 and y1, in the place of y1 it will be y2. So, it is easy way of remembering. Generally we write this formula and then accordingly you will expand it. So, these are the formulas that you will be using in this chapter. So, I will meet you again with the problems in my next video. So, till then, have a nice day. Please like and share with your friends, and please let me know how you are feeling about the videos. So, that will help me to improve the quality of the videos. Thank you.